Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to insert SIM card and memory card in Galaxy A35 5G. So, for inserting the card and SIM, guys, firstly you have to take out the SIM tray from the top when the SIM tray is off. Now, as you guys see, we have the option of a SIM 1 here, and on the other side, SIM 2 and SD card. So, firstly, I am inserting the SIM 1 here, but guys, I don't have any SD card right now. So but if you want to insert any SD card, so you can place it over SD card option like this. After that, just insert the SIM tray. Okay, so as you guys see, the signals are now coming. So that's how guys we can insert the SIM card or memory card in Galaxy A35 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.